Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create stunning 3D cartoon animations. And the best part? You can do it for free using AI tools. Yes, you heard that right. No need for expensive software or advanced skills. Make sure to hit that like button because you're in for a treat. First, open Chrome and search for Leonardo.ai. After searching, click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the website, sign up for an account. After signing up, you'll be directed to your Leonardo dashboard. Next, go to the image creation section. Here, you'll need to write your prompt. If you're not sure how to write it, you can ask ChatGPT for help. After writing your prompt, simply press Enter. There are some settings you can do what you want. Write a prompt TP and press Enter. Create a 3D image of Indian cute kids cycling in the park. They are wearing earrings, jeans, t-shirts, and denim jackets. They are happy and riding their bicycles, creating a cozy atmosphere for a peaceful moment together. In a few seconds, your image will be ready. Once it's done, download the image. Now go back to Google and search for Vidu AI. Sign up for an account using either Google or your email. Once you've signed up, click on Image to Video. Upload the image you created earlier, and it will generate your video. After the video is ready, you can download it from the bottom section. And that's how you can create an AI video easily.